So, hi guys, me again here. Let's continue discussing everything how to be a freelancer or a virtual assistant. Yes. So, yeah, I just want to share it with you. Just currently, nag-work ako para sa funnel ng isa sa mga client namin. Yes, kung makikita niyo, hello, may eyebag po. Actually, nag-edit ako saglit kasi dahil gusto ko siyang matapos, is winner ko talaga siya para because this one is a project based lang po na client. So, yes, anytime, wala siyang time tracker, as long as nagawa mo na yung task, okay na. Kasi itong client na to is fake client na po namin. So, yeah, we can accept more clients po kapag once na natapos na namin itong project na to. So, yes, una gusto ko lang i-share sa iyo bakit freelancing or as a freelancer ang baga passion na kinuha ko or work na kinuha ko. It's all because ang daming benefits to. Sa hindi pa nakakaalam talaga is you can earn dollar. Yes, totoo po yan. You can earn dollar at the comfort of your home. And, hindi mo kailangan pumunta ng abroad. Before kasi talaga, ang maniniwala ko lang talaga is once na pumunta ka ng abroad, makakakuha ka ng mga dollar doon. Ganun lang po talaga. So, nagbago lahat yon nung nag-enter ako sa freelancer or a freelancing world. So, yes, dito ko na-realize na you can have more time to your family, to your kids, and then you can earn dollar. You can charge your own price. Like, say for example, mababang price, or you can able to charge what you call this premium price, what you call this. Yeah, because also as a business owner, we create a package. So yes, talagang it's really up to you on how you can able to discuss this to your clients and get able to get the client. So yeah, sa mga susunod na mga araw, I will discuss it to you because I know na marami yung nagtatanong, marami yung nag-ask kung how to be you po. How to be you po. Yes, ganon. So, i-share ko po sa inyo kung ano po yung paano at kung paano po kami nagkaroon ng isang brand, and now we were currently doing more improvement para sa aming business, since actually this is just a I think May, June, July. So it's almost 2 months pa lang po yung business namin. And guess what, guys? We have almost siguro, I think we have more than 5 clients. May mga project-based pa doon, pero may mga ilan pa kaming kinater before. Actually, we served for almost 500 fit posts before on my past 3 years. More than siya. Maliban pa doon, may mga side hustle pa po kami, like accepting logos. So, yes, we will discuss it to you guys. So, hopefully, you will learn a lot from me. By the way, guys, kung gusto niyo naman po follow din sa amin, sa page namin, just follow Virtual A Services, and Virtual A Assets, and papagalitan ako ng mga kapatid ko. Yes. And yes, nga pala guys, isa sa mga business ko dito is mga perfume. So, hindi pa nakaka-avail, guys, avail na kayo kasi magkakaroon ako ng free work. Hindi naman siya, free PDF sa lahat ng gustong mag-avail neto, then isisend ko sa inyo yung PDF na yun. Yes. See, this is the privilege of being a virtual assistant. I mean, a freelancer and a virtual assistant. Makikita mo yung anak mo dito. So, yeah, bye guys!